Hi folks, in a previous video I showed you how to use the for next loop to store tables into QVDs. In this video I'm going to show you how to put that in a subroutine and then call the subroutine. So if we, from video 170, which is the previous video, check out YouTube, I showed you how to use the for next loop. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this, we're going to create a hidden script. We're going to paste the for next loop and we're going to put it into a subroutine. So we're going to say sub, I'm going to give it a name, store my tables, and we're going to go end sub. So if we just check out the folder, you can see we just have the Qlikview file. If we press Ctrl and R, it will reload the script. You'll see that it hasn't actually created any QVDs because we haven't called the subroutine function. So basically anything in Qlikview that's in a subroutine, it won't trigger until you call the subroutine. So for example, if we just show you, we can add in a trace. So we say trace before sub, and then say trace after sub. Press Ctrl and R to reload. Got a problem there. Going back into the script. Press reload. We're just missing the semicolon. So we go back. You can see now at the last log file that we ran, if we check that, you can see that it's not reading the subroutine at all. So that's the message we put in, before sub, after sub, so it's not reading anything within that subroutine. But what we can do, if you go back into the script, is we can go into the main part of our script where we've connected to the database and we've selected our three tables, exactly the same as video 170 in the series. We can then just use the call, so say call store my tables, and that's it. Basically you're going to call the subroutine from in here, which contains the for next loop to store the tables into QVDs. So now if we press Ctrl and R to reload, error, so I'm just going to check that. I'm missing the E for store, so store my tables. I spelled it wrong. What I should have done was actually that's spelled wrong as well, so it should say tables. So copy, paste. So now if I press Ctrl and R to reload, go back into my folder. Now I have a QVD for account, account type and inventory. Again, you can see it's not picking up the subroutine before sub, after sub, and you can see then it is picking up the call store my tables, and it's executed, as you can see, because we have our account, account type and inventory QVD files. Just delete those, go back into Qlikview, Ctrl and E to go into the script. Again, you could probably add more to the trace function here, where you could maybe put something like this, or maybe asterisks, so that it's standing out, that you're just checking it's not picking that up, and then just make sure you have the spelling correctly. Press Ctrl and R to reload. Again, you have our three QVD files. So that's just a quick demonstration of how to call a subroutine. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next video. Cheers.